Hello, food lovers. Welcome to London, the culinary capital of the world. Today, we're embarking on a mouthwatering journey through this vibrant city, in search of its hidden culinary and beauty gems. And what better place to start than with the iconic British dish? Fish and chips. Here in London, you'll find an array of establishments serving up this classic comfort food. From crispy golden batter to fluffy chips, every bite will transport you to foodie heaven. But London has so much more to offer than just fish and chips. Its diverse food scene is a melting pot of flavors and cultures. You can explore bustling food markets like Borough Market, or Camden Market, where you'll find a mouthwatering array of international cuisines. Our journey through London begins with its historic heart. Behold the Tower of London. Standing as a solemn sentinel of the city's past. Nearby, the Houses of Parliament in the iconic Big Ben Clock Tower rise majestically, symbols of Britain's enduring legacy. Contrasting the historical splendor, modern London emerges. The Shard, a glass spire reaching towards the heavens. And the London Eye, a giant wheel offering breathtaking views, representing the city's continuous evolution. London's cultural landscape is unparalleled. The British Museum in the National Gallery, guardians of priceless treasures, beckon the intellectually curious. The West End's theatres, aglow with neon lights, offer world-class entertainment. London's soul lies in its neighborhoods. From the bohemian streets of Camden to the elegant terraces of Notting Hill, each district radiates its unique character. These areas, brimming with life, showcase the city's multicultural tapestry. A culinary adventure awaits in London's bustling markets. Borough Market teems with gourmet delights, a testament to the city's gastronomic diversity. From traditional fish and chips to exotic international cuisines, London tantalizes every palate. Based on transportation, the iconic red double-decker buses and classic black cabs navigate the city's thoroughfares. These symbols of London not only ferry residents and tourists alike, but also add a distinct charm to the city's bustling streets. Panning the Thames. London's bridges are marvels in their own right. Tower Bridge, with its Victorian Gothic architecture, is a testament to London's ingenuity. The Millennium Bridge, a steel suspension footbridge, symbolizes the city's stride into the 21st century. No narrative of London is complete without a nod to its royal heritage. The majestic Buckingham Palace, with the ceremonious changing of the guard, epitomizes the city's royalties. The palaces and parks whisper stories of monarchs and empires of yore. Each season dresses London in a different hue. Spring brings blossoms to Regent's Park. Summer sees lively festivals. Autumn cloaks the city in golden leaves. And winter lights up with festive decorations, making every visit a unique experience. For a taste of quintessential British fare, how about a hearty plate of beef Wellington? Or a traditional Sunday roast? London's many traditional pubs and restaurants will satisfy your cravings for these beloved dishes. As the day fades, London transforms under the glow of the setting sun. The city's lights flicker to life, casting a magical glow over the streets. This city, ever-changing yet timeless, continues to captivate hearts and minds. And don't forget to save room for dessert. Indulge in a delectable afternoon tea experience, complete with delicate pastries and scones slathered in clotted cream and jam. Our journey through London concludes that the city's story is never ending. London, with its indomitable spirit, continues to evolve, inspire, and mesmerize. It's a city not just to visit, but to experience, to live, and to remember. So, whether you're a foodie looking for new flavors or simply curious about British cuisine, London promises to amaze and satisfy even the most discerning palates. London, you better not disappoint.